Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Cognizant Superset PAN India hiring is announced for all of you, that is 25-26, and Wipro Graduate Engineer Trainee Pine Labs and Rimba AI is also hiring. 24, 25, 26, 27 batch is eligible. Subscribe to our online learning channel, like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds, and we are sharing genuine hiring updates with all of you, so you guys can apply for opportunity on timely basis. That's the most important thing. Multiple hirings is posted from top companies, but the main thing is resume shortlisting process. So we are sharing you the 100 plus ATS friendly resume templates. For more than 100 candidates already get this, and we are only taking the service charges. What we are providing in this, we are providing more than 100 plus ATS template that is related to the top company, and one thing, cover letter, style templates, everything is there. We are providing you the ATS resume master guide 26, in which you will find this thing. What is ATS resume, ATS resume format rule, ATS keyword optimization, resume power word, common resume mistake. So your resume will be get shortlisted in the company. That's the most important thing. And 500 plus coding question and answers are also there for 20 plus MNCs, because coding round is one of the most important round. We are providing the complete interview bundle for all of you, in which you can prepare for mass recruiter, mid-range and premium service. Total 963 pages are there. Other resources are also there, so you guys can definitely check out. Cognizant Superset PAN India 25-26 by digital workplace service desk role opportunity is here. It's a category of Gen Z opportunity, but it's related to the 25-26 batch from any 3-year BCom, BCA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BMS. And one thing, resume maximum of 2 pages are there, all academic documents including the college ID. It's a great opportunity to start your career. One thing, soon we will see the Gen Z, next Gen Z Pro and normal Gen Z hiring for the freshers batch. Okay, India Mart is hiring for associate engineer role, BE, BTech, CSIT. 25-26 batch is eligible. Technical assessment, technical interview and HR interview, so you guys can check and apply for opportunity accordingly. GET engineer opportunity from Wipro. I already shared this opportunity on our Instagram page in the morning itself. It's for a fresher, so you can apply for opportunity. Pine Labs is hiring for 24, 25, 26 batch. Immediate joiner are there. Directly share your resume to this email ID. Okay, now we already shared each and everything in this format, that how to send resume to the recruiter in the cover letter thing, so you can use these things as well. And next is related to Rimba AI. They are hiring for software engineer, systems engineer, software engineer full time. If you are interested, you can apply 27, 26, 25 batch, 24 can also try to apply for opportunity. Great opportunity by top companies. Thanks for watching the video.